Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on another Elk Springs cabin. This is my second time staying at a Elk Springs cabin. The first trip was amazing. The cabin we stayed at this time is Mountain Splash Cabin located near Gatlinburg. My husband and I recently went there for his birthday. This video is when we arrived at the cabin before we unpacked. So when you enter the cabin, you'll see a pool table and a half bathroom. And that bathroom had a washer and dryer. So once you exit the bathroom, you'll enter the pool table area. This area has a TV. We played a lot of pool in there. Yeah. And next you'll enter the kitchen area. This area was fully stocked with pots, pans, plates, and more. Pretty anything we needed was in here. So when you walk through the living area, there is a door, and that gives you access to the hot tub. It was quiet outside every time we went outside, which was good, and it was very secluded. Barely had any service on our phones there, but it is in the cabin. So now let's head upstairs to the loft. So when you get upstairs, there is a heart-shaped jacuzzi. It can fit 2 people easily. The jacuzzi jets didn't work, but there is information to contact them to have a technician come out and fix it in the information book downstairs. We just ended up using the hot tub instead as an alternative. The bathroom was very nice and clean. The cabin was clean, really. It did have a bunch of caterpillars and centipedes downstairs by the door in the living room area. I believe we probably stepped on about 12 of them in our house shoes. But it is a cabin in the middle of the mountain, so I guess bugs can be expected. So let's head back downstairs and go to the indoor swimming pool. So the swimming pool area, it was very beautiful. It has a waterfall that you can turn on as well. However, once we got into the pool, the water was really cool. We couldn't find anything that would change the temperature. So overall, the trip, it was okay. I would give it a 3 out of 5. I gave it that score because I was shocked to see that welcome sign at the beginning of the video. And the pool table area didn't feel welcoming to me. And plus the jacuzzi jet's not working and the pool water not being nowhere close to warm. But it did have some perks such as the beautiful scenery and the huge hot tub. So I'm a repeated customer of Elk Springs, and I have given them my feedback as well about how I felt about the cabin. So I'm not sure if I will be returning to Elk Springs, but I just wanted to give you all my honest review and a tour of the cabin. So I'll have a great day.